gonna take some white bread and throw it in the oven for a few seconds. I'm gonna cook up some onions and some bell pepper, a little bit of garlic, and then throw a little tomato in there. We just throw sauce in there. Chopped up a few more onions because I want some onions crunchy in there. So we're going to take some of that special caramel sauce I made the other day and throw a little bit in there. Change the flavor just a little bit. Just a little bit. $3.99 a pack Prime Fresh from Ralph's. What is this? Oh my God, $1.19, that's right. Just because it's cheap and clearance doesn't mean it's not good. Take some turkey meat, cook it, chop it up. Got that bacon going on. So we got that out the oven. It's nice and crispy. We do that so if we just put the sauce on there, it's gonna get real soggy and not come out right. Hood Pizza, y'all, coming to a countertop near you. Oh yeah, nice and crispy, right? I know y'all hear that crisp, crusty thingy-majiggy. That's how we do it. Oh shit. Normally we don't use a knife. I just want to show y'all how nice and let's see what it tastes like though. Here you go, take a bite. No, what? Oh my God. For sure. Damn. Beautiful. We taste that little barbecue, that honey glazed caramel barbecue sauce I made the other day. All in the spandex.